Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are making Gopalakala, a traditional offering to Lord Krishna that's packed with flavor, texture and whole lot of love. Whether you're celebrating Janmashtami or just in the mood for something fresh and wholesome, this recipe is a must try. For this we will use 1 cup of rice flakes, wash them nicely and drain the water completely. Make sure they are well drained so that they don't get too soggy. To this we will add half cup of cucumber, half cup of curd. We'll be using a total of 1 cup curd, but we will add the rest a little later. To this add 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste. Give it another good mix. Now we will add 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. We will add the remaining half cup of curd and mix everything together again. For a slightly thinner consistency, add 1/4 cup of water, but this step is completely optional and give everything a good mix. For the tempering, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once hot, add cumin seeds. Once they start to crackle, add some finely chopped ginger and 2 slit green chillies for the perfect hint of heat. Let everything sizzle together for a minute till the spices are nice and fragrant. Now we will pour this tempering over the rice flakes mixture. Give everything a final mix, allowing the flavors to melt beautifully. This Gopalakala is a beautiful blend of flavors and textures, perfect as a festive offering or even a quick snack. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.